Oh my God, no, no, no. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. I know. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. You can do whatever you want. You smell like a puppy, and you kiss like a alligator. Oh. It's a little Arctic wolf. Arctic wolf guy, girl. Oh my God! Look at that face. It smells like a. I was gonna say it smells like rodents, but it's because they're on.
Shaving.
Yeah, shavings. Yeah, that'll do. It's a wolf, but it smells like a mouse. You just.
We could probably bring it in with us.
I'm just out walking around. He doesn't want to do it. Shouldn't it want to just sit here and chill out? This guy wants to just.
Mario apparently couldn't feed her right.
Oh my
She's a
God.
pain in the ass. I can only get 40 ml.